What's going on? This is Kareem from DJBooth.net, and I'm here in the lab to give you guys a really quick unboxing and first impressions video of the brand new Numark Scratch 2-channel Serato DJ mixer. So what we have here is the latest and greatest 2-channel mixer from Numark. It's a really cool piece because it comes in at a really good price point at only $499. And it also has an internal sound card that can be used with Serato DJ. It comes with the Serato DJ bundle inside. The only thing that you do have to buy on your own is the Serato vinyl. So we're going to unbox this and see exactly what comes inside the box. And we're going to have that full out review video for you guys within the next couple weeks. Alright, first up we get the instruction manual along with our Serato information. Again, there are no Serato vinyl in this box, so you'll have to provide your own. You have your power cable, which is your normal standard ICE connector, which is just like what you use on the back of your computer. So that means it has an internal power supply and you don't have to plug in a brick anywhere around. Alright, next up is just the mixer itself. It's nice and compact. Feels like a real 2-channel 10-inch style mixer from back in the day, and not these really thick mixers that they're making today. It is an all metal body. It does feel like it's built to last for sure. It has your effects paddles here, which is only found on your higher end DJ mixers, and it also has 4 pad buttons here, so that way you'll be able to use these for your hot cues and your samples and different things of that nature. You also have a mini innovator here in the bottom, nice and smooth, perfect for your scratching. So we're gonna have a full out review for this bad boy within the next couple weeks, like we said earlier. So make sure you guys stay tuned, make sure you guys subscribe, so that way you know when the next videos are coming out. And as always, thanks for watching.